Hey guys, so I'm not making a full video on like exactly step by step everything you need to do this, but I'm gonna make a quick run through just so you know what all has to be moved to be able to replace your lower steering stem bushing. Now this is a poly bushing. I don't know what it came with from the factory, but when I purchased the bushing, there was the option to buy poly or aluminum. I went with poly again. Mine's been in the freezer. I don't know if that actually helps on that stuff, but out of habit, I just stuck it in the freezer when I got it anyways. So the biggest pain is you have to remove a lot of stuff to get to this. So you gotta pull your plastics. That's first, and then you have to unbolt this bushing, which looking back on it, I should have bought all new stuff there for that too while I was already in here, but I didn't. And to be able to get to it, to get your steering stem up far enough to get the bushing out, you have to unbolt your radiator, push it back, unbolt the oil tank, and you can push it back, which is just slightly. And that is enough to be able to pull up and get the stem out. And then I used a socket with an extension and a hammer to bust up and out, and then reinstall is pretty much going to be the same thing. I'm going to slide it right in. I'll probably put some PP blaster so it slides in real nice and easy. She's just real good. And then you do have to remove your tie rods. I'll slide all that back in, bolt the steering stem back in, then I'll bolt my tie rods back in, which were a pain to get off on their self. And then push the oil tank back in, which sucks because if I would have known that it required all of this to come off, I probably would have went ahead and bought a whole new steering stem. I was looking at the plus ones anyways. And then we're just gonna push all this stuff back together and bolt it back on. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. I got some more LTZ content on here.